Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Open Google Play and search for an AssistiveTouch app such as EasyTouch. Install the app. Installation typically takes under 2 minutes. After installation, tap Open to launch the app for the first time. The app will ask for accessibility permission. Grant it to enable button actions. Next, allow display over other apps permission so the button floats on top. After permissions are set, the floating Assistive button appears on your screen automatically and is ready to customize. From the app home screen, open Settings, then tap Appearance to access visual options. Locate Shape and choose Square from the available shape presets. Next, set size to 48dp or 60px for a compact, consistent square button on most phones. Adjust corner radius to 0 if a specific slider exists. This ensures straight corners. Finally, toggle shadow and border off for a flat square appearance and consistent hit area across apps and screens. Tap Actions or Shortcut settings to assign quick functions to the square button. Choose core shortcuts like Home, Back, Screenshot, and Recents for everyday use. Use Edge Snap or Auto Dock to lock the square button to a preferred screen edge. Set the snap offset to roughly 3.5 cm from top or bottom for comfortable reach. Finally, test single tap, double tap, and long press. Adjust long press duration to 600 milliseconds for reliable recognition.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.